Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Python Guru. Today I'll be talking about comparing different AI ML models. So our goal is to see how we can compare multiple models and see which model is better for our requirement. We'll refresh on the model initialization where we do fit, find the feature, find the target, and then get the mean value error. We'll see the quick code walkthrough and then the live demo. So let's start with understanding one of the ML model, and that is DecisionTreeRegressor. In DecisionTreeRegressor, we try to take a look at the decision node, and then as per the condition, we move to the either on the decision node or maybe the target or maybe the prediction. So to reach the prediction, we have to pass through with a different decision node and then reach to the target. Wherever the random forest, it tries to take the prediction from multiple trees, and then with the prediction, it takes the average. So in some cases, we see that the random forest is better than decision tree regression. So what all we are planning to do, we are planning to input the same data to the different models. One model is initialized with the help of DecisionTreeRegressor, another is RandomForestRegressor. So already we saw that how these two are different. These two will have most probably different prediction. So once we have the prediction target and feature set, we can initialize the model 1 and 2. Model 1, as we talked about, with help of the decision tree, and model 2 with the random regressor. Once we have the prediction, we'll try to compare the prediction and see that which model is giving closest prediction. Code side, straightforward. As we said, net cells we want to initialize into Y, which could be our target which we want to find it out or want to predict. Feature set, the data which is going to play the role to reach the result, and those are age group, income range, and fitness center membership. Once we have feature set as well as prediction target, we can initialize the model 1. For model 1, we are initializing decision tree regressor, which is coming from sklearn tree. For model 2, we are initializing random forest regressor, which is coming from sklearn and 7. For these two, we have given the random state 1 so that if we run this test again and again, we get the kind of same output. Once we have prediction 1 and 2, now we'll try to find out mean absolute error, and then we're just printing. So let's take a look at the code. So here we are just initializing the data to the data frame. Once we have the data frame, we are just simply pull it out the net cells, and that's the value we want to predict, and we are calling prediction target. So step 1 is done. Step 2, we want to find out the data which can play the important role to find out the prediction. And those I have figured it out could be age group, income range, and fitness center membership. So now we have the prediction target, 20 different result. So we have the model 1, we did the just fit, we got the model 2 initialized, we just fit the model, and then we just call the predicted target for both model. And as we have the target, we can just compare the target with actual. We are just printing mean absolute error for both of the environment, and that way we can figure it out that which model is good for our use case. We are in the directory, we have the test case, and we'll just call the test. So we can see that for the particular data, whatever we are trying to predict, the first decision tree regressor could be the good, which is giving the output mean value error lesser than random forest regressor. So that's all I had for you. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.